In this video, we are going to know about how to prepare for an exam. I'm not just mentioning for college or school going students. This video is for everyone who are giving their exams in competitive world too. So the basic thing here is most of the people have their individual plans and strategies to write their exams. But today I'm going to share about what I was following and what I am following still today to write an exam. Most important thing and also the most neglected thing here is knowing our syllabus. Firstly, I follow and I know what is the syllabus I have which I am going to give an exam. So first thing you have to do is know your syllabus. What is the syllabus of your exam which you have to give? This is most important thing. Most of the people think that we'll go through some important questions, we will go through some mark tests or any other thing, not knowing what is the main syllabus we have. So concentrate on syllabus. And the second important thing is know the structure of your exam. That means how the pattern you are going to have. When we were at school and college education, we used to have 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks questions. But when it comes to competitive world, we have everything in objective type. And the third thing is go through previous model papers. Here, knowing your previous model paper not only help you how the questions are repeating, but also it will let you know from which subject, from which chapter you are getting more questions. Sometimes the paper may not be similar from yours, but at least you will get a image that how your paper is going to be. What are the questions you are getting repeatedly? And the fourth one is most of the times I follow easy to difficult process. That means most of the people concentrate on learning difficult things at first and then going to the easy ones as it will save your time. But I follow the reverse thing. Why? Because if you are a beginner or if you are giving an exam which is very new to you, learning difficult things at the beginning itself will take off your interest on that. So concentrate on learning the simple things at first, and then you will get some interest to learn many more things as the subject is easy. Then your interest will grow. Last but very important, overcome your fear and build confidence. Most of us have a thought in our mind that if I don't excel in this exam, I am going to do suicide, I am going to quit, I am going to do this, that. Keep these all things aside and just concentrate on giving in your exam the best and think of an alternative. You will definitely excel if you are pre-planned about your exam. Even though if you don't excel, keep an alternative. You have many number of alternatives. You can give that exam the next year. Keep trying. This is my strategy of learning things. Prepare yourself also how you are going to shape your strategy to write an exam. Thanks for watching.